Installation teaching of back clip and bracket.
Before use, please insert the memory card according to the direction of the video tutorial. Pay attention to the card taking method and pull it out directly with your fingers. Press and hold the power key for 2 seconds to start the machine. After the power is turned on, the blue light is on for a long time, indicating that the machine is started normally. At this time, press the power button. For a short time, the blue light flashes twice and goes out to start shooting.
Press the power button once. The shooting stops and the blue light is on.
Press the M key once, and the indicator light turns red and blue, indicating 1080p video recording mode. Press the power button to start shooting. Press the power button once to stop shooting.
Short press the M key once, the indicator light will turn red light, indicating the mode of taking pictures. At this time, press the power button once to take a picture.
Long press the power button for more than 6 seconds, all lights are off, which means shutdown.